Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to split payment on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to go to a trip or choose any booking that you want. So basically let's for example take this one, and here I'm going to reserve for this night. And as you can see here in the payments, we can find the two options. There is the pay parts or splitted payments, and there is the pay in full. And basically if you choose pay part now, your payments will be splitted. So basically the first part will be due instantly, and the second part will be billed after in these dates, as you can see. So as you can see, it will be, the rest will be automatically charged to the same payment method on May, and this is the date, and without any extra fees. So if you choose like this method, you will have your payments that we will be splitted, and you can pay in half or by parts. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.